Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your friendly arm for Class War in Clash of Clans. Once you are in the game, look at the bottom of your screen, tap on the clan icon to open your clan page. Inside the clan page, tap Friendly Challenge. Friendly Challenge lets you to practice attack using custom armies without losing troop or resources. Now tap Edit Army. This is where you can change your friendly army for practice attack. You will now see all the available troops. Tap on the troops you want to add to your army. Change your troop spell, machines. This arm is only for friendly challenge, not your real arm. Make sure your heroes are enabled. If you want to practice real war attack, you can also select clan castle troop and spell to match your war setup. Once you are happy with your army, tap save and done. Your friendly army is now ready. Now tap attack and choose a clanmate base. You can practice your clan war attack many times as you want with no cost of all. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.